back to the channel. Welcome to the Hoops, Hoodies, and How To series. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get this look. I wanted to go, this look was inspired by the Kim K Met Gala look. Also by her palette that she has with Mario, with that really beautiful color blue that's in there. I don't have the palette, so I used the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. This blue in here, and this purple. No, I'm sorry, this blue and this looks like a Tiffany blue turquoise kind of color for my inner corner and for my lower lash line. So if you want to see how I get this look, then keep on watching. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next video. Today I'm going for a really deep smoky eye, which I love. The look is inspired by Kim Kardashian at the Met Gala. I know everyone is doing that inspired look. I'm going to change it up a bit, but it's still going to have that that smoky, dark, deep smoky eye. So for that, I'm going to use a black base first to deepen up the color that I'm gonna put on top of it, instead of using a white base. White base brings colors out more and makes them pop, and then the black base to me is good with working with dark colors if you want to deepen up the color. So I'm using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean. If you don't have this, you can use any kind of black kohl eyeliner, and that works just as fine. Thank you for joining me in this, my hoops, hoodies, and how-to series. So the hoodie that I have on today is short sleeve. Can't remember where I got this one from though. If the tag on the back lets me know, then I put it in the bottom bar. But you know, as I said in my other video, I love hoodies. So I came up with this title like years ago, so I just wanted to stick with it. So in order to blend that out before it dries up and sets in place, I'm going to use the Urban Decay dual, there's a shader brush, and I'm not even sure what this little guy is called, but I'm using the little guy because it's going to help me get into the tight spots, like near the inner corner. And then I want this to be neat as possible, so when I get up into the crease, I don't want too big of a brush that it spreads that color out further or upwards, more upwards than I want it to. So it's gonna be a black smoky eye. So I'll just use the same brush. I'm just gonna use the other side, and I'm going into the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna grab this black right here. You can grab any matte black that you have to set it, or whatever color that you want to set it with. I'm using trying to figure out what I want to use as my crease color. I think I'm going with this wine color, as if that is anything new, right here. I'm going to use this color right in the crease and on the outer crease as well. Oh, I'm sorry, and I'm using a Morphe brush. This one doesn't have a number or a name on it, but it's a one of their smaller tapered brushes. with this Lamora blending brush. I still want it small because I want it precise and I want to have more control over where I'm placing the color. So I think I'm gonna go in with the color above it. So this color right here. Boop, 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 boop. Take a clean brush that doesn't have any product on it whatsoever, and I'm gonna blend out that. Blend, blend, blend. Now I'm going to tight line with this NYX matte liquid liner, and what tight line means is just I'm going very close to my lash line and just placing the eyeliner there. Go in with my pore minimizing primer. I'm gonna put that right here. I'm gonna go in with the MAC Prolong Wear Concealer and my LA Girl, sorry, Warm Honey. No, I'm not using that one. And a concealer brush. I think this is the MAC 242. To go in with contour, and I'm using LA Girl Beautiful Bronze. contour, I'm going in with the Angled Shader by Morphe. And this is like perfect. And then I'm going to go in with the sponge and just blend out this harsh nose contour. It's kind of harsh right now. Just lightly. Lightly. Now what I want to do is go in with my Warm Honey concealer and cut out that contour. Don't want to use a shader brush? Not really. I need another concealer brush. Here we go. M224 by Morphe. Use the Morphe. This doesn't have a name, but this came in a kit. And I'm going to use majority of this shade and just like a light tap of that shade to set my contour. So for blush, I'm going to use my Holy Grail Pacifica Beauty Tenderhearted. I'm going to apply it with my Luxie 522, no, yes, tapered highlighter brush. They look so similar. I can't see my monitor because the sun is not letting me live. I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Revolution strobe highlighter in gold. It's Gold Addict, right? Yeah, Gold Addict. And I'm gonna use a Luxie 660 Precision foundation brush. So for lower lash line, I'm going to go in with a black kohl eyeliner. And I'm using the one by Rimmel. I'm going to put that in my waterline and I'm going to buff it out with... I'm going to buff it out with this beautiful purple shade. Tarte Lights Camera Lash, I think. And I only use this on my lower lash line. It's perfect for it. I'm gonna go on with choice because why not? I'm making it up as I go along.